morning to all of you. So we have started this chapter, and in this we have covered till 11.6. So we have started this exercise 11.7. In this we have done till question number 3. Now we have started this question number 4. In this the algebraic expressions are there, and I have told you the rule how to solve these type of algebraic expressions. What rule I have told you? I have told you the BODMAS. So we will use this BODMAS to solve these expressions. So in this bracket, these brackets were in the order to be solved. Okay, then O was off, D was division, this was off, this was division, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So we will keep these rules in mind, and let's see this problem. So it is 6a, then this square bracket has come 3a minus curly bracket 6a minus this parenthesis 7a minus 2b, then bracket. Now if you see this last term is actually 2a minus 3c. So what I have told you, we have to start with bar. So how do we solve it? It becomes 6a minus 3a, 6a minus 7a minus 2b, then it becomes minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is plus. So now see, this bar has been removed. Then which bracket we have to solve? We have to solve this bracket. So it is 6a minus 3a minus 6a, then minus 7a, and minus into minus is plus. So you can see here now one more bracket has been removed. Now what we are left with? We are left with this curly bracket. So 6a minus 7a will give you minus a plus 2b. Okay. Now see, we have removed the bar, we have removed this bracket. Now we will remove the curly brackets. That will be our order only. So 3a plus a minus 2b minus 2a plus 3c. See, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus. Now we will solve this. So 3a plus a is 4a minus 2a is 2a. So it is 2a. Then this 2b is alike, so you cannot solve. Then it is plus 3c. So finally we have to solve this last bracket. So let's see what we will get. 6a minus 2a plus 2b minus 3c. Okay. Minus into plus is minus, minus minus plus, minus into plus is minus. So it is 4a plus 2b minus 3c. So that will be our solution. Okay, let's see this expression. So it is 6x minus, this is 2x minus 5, and it becomes 3x, and minus plus is minus, minus plus minus. So similarly minus plus is minus, minus minus plus y. Okay, so we have removed these two bars. Now it is 6x minus 2x minus 5 into 2x minus 1 minus x plus y. So 6x minus 2x minus 10x plus 5 minus x plus y. So finally what we are left with, see, 2x minus 10x will give you minus 8x plus 5 minus x plus y. Okay, so it is 6x minus 9x plus 5 plus y. So now we have removed all the brackets and we are only left with this square bracket. So when we solve it, see what we will get. 6x plus 9x minus 5 minus y, that is 15x minus 5 minus y. So after removing all the brackets, what answer we got? 15x minus 5 minus y. So this is how you can use the BODMAS rule, and whenever two bars are there, you can solve these two bars simultaneously and remove these bars by changing the sign. If negative sign is there, then you change the sign of all the terms in the bar, but if positive sign is there, you should not change the sign of the elements. Okay, so let's see one more question then. Sixth one. So it is 3a minus b plus 4c minus one more bar is there plus 6c plus 2a plus 5a minus 7c. Okay, so this question does not contain any bracket, but what it contains two bars. So likewise we will solve this like we have solved the previous problems. So it is 3a minus b plus 4c. Okay, then when this bar will be removed, it will be minus 2a, minus into minus plus 4b, minus into plus is minus 6c, and it becomes how much? 2a plus 5a minus 7c. See, every bar has been removed. Now we will write all the like terms together. Okay, this is all a's, then all the b's, okay, then all the c's. 4c minus 6c minus 7c. So it will be 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3a. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5 is 8a. Then 4 minus 1 is 3b. Then 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 7 minus 9c. Okay, so like this we can solve this one. Then see the eighth one, a different type of expression. Eighth is 5x to the power 5 divided by 8x minus 5x minus 2 by 3 off. Okay, one off is there. Then it is 5x plus 8x square divided by 2x. Then these are the three brackets. So now see, this expression contains one off also now. So what we will do, first we will solve this bracket, because this bracket is written separately, so it becomes 8x minus 5x is 3x minus 2 by 3, in place of off we will write multiply, so it becomes, see, 5x plus 8x square by 2x. So this we can divide 5x to the power 5 upon 3x minus 2 by 3 into what we are left with now? We are left with 1x cancel, 2 into 4, so it is 5x plus 4x. So it is now 5 upon 3 x to the power 4 minus 2 upon 3 into 9x this is 3x, so 5 upon 3, x to the power 4 minus 6x. So that will be our answer. Okay, let's see the last question now. 9p minus 5p minus q, 4q minus 2, 3p minus p minus q. Okay. So similarly we can solve it like this. 9p minus 5p minus q, no sign is there, that means multiplication we have to do. 4q minus, again no sign is there, that means we have to do multiplication. Now it is 3p minus p minus minus 4q. Okay. One minus sign is there here. So it is 9p minus 5p minus q minus 4q minus, and this bracket we can solve. 3p minus 2p is 2p plus q. So finally what we will get? 9p 5p minus q minus 4q minus 4p minus 2q. Okay, so one more bracket has been removed. Now it is 9p minus 5p minus q minus 4q plus 4p plus 2q. So let's solve this one. 5 plus 4 will give you 9p, then minus q minus 5q plus 2q. It will give you minus 5q plus 2q will give you minus 3q. So in the end what we will get? 9p minus 9p plus 3q. So this is cancelled. So our answer is 3q. Okay, so this is the end. This is how you can solve the questions of algebraic expression using the BODMAS rule. So this is the end of this chapter 11. Go through these videos and complete your work. Thank you.